name is Spider-Man. You can call me Webhead, you can call me Amazing. Just don't call me late for dinner. Get it? Not a shaker? You a hugger?
I'm killer.